Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, so let's continue. Where were we last time? So we were last time drawing cock curves variations. So first we tried the very simple cock type like this, and then drew other variations with different A's, the base angle of A. And then I kind of assignment was to draw in square instead of triangle. So did you try this? What happens if square type cock curve? So instead of drawing this, it would be like half of, one third of S like this, turn this is all like one third of S. So did you try this? So let's do this. So so this case, let's see, will this do? Yeah, okay, we will just continue to change this. So yeah, if you want, you can change it. So this time, the base angle is 90 degrees, okay? And then, as I said, one third uh, to the right and turn left by 90, one third of it. Then instead, yeah, turn right by 90 degrees. And then one more. Yes, one more, the same thing. Cock n minus 1 s over 3 and the same t dot um, right by a. Okay, this is happening here. Okay, right and left, and one third, one left and like this. Okay, let's check how it looks like. To go say up to 8 and say how it looks like. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe. Yeah, became very small. So this is what we call square type cock. Maybe I should write this by say 400 instead of um yeah. So it's like this. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It's strangely, it starts as a uh, square corners, but then the emerging shape is like a triangle. It's strange. Okay, so maybe we can do the same thing twice to, okay, um, construct a large square. So to do that, what we need to do is, yeah, instead of writing just once, we can do twice for underscore in range 2 and cock uh, D and then turn by 180 degrees. So T dot left by say 90 degree 180. Let's see how it looks like. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, interesting. Okay. This is interesting. This is one way of looking at it. We are going too deep fixes enough. Okay, or we can try loop of 4 and turning by 90 degrees each time. Let's see how it looks like. Maybe a little smaller, like 200. Good. Hmm. Yeah, this is interesting. Okay. So this is 1. And if you change this left to right, it will be a bit different. Okay. Okay, let's move it to kind of center minus 100, little to the upper side. Oh. Okay, good. This is how cock of rectangle type. So maybe you can try, instead of one like this, you can try something like this yourself if you want. Okay. Next one is Lévy curve. Okay. What is Lévy curve like? Remove the straight base segments and use only right isosceles triangle. So it's like this. Instead of this, we can go starting here. Yeah, just like this. Okay. Just like this. Okay, so it will be a little different. So let's call it Lévy, okay? Um, save as EL 1, 2, 4 Lévy curve. So it will be uh, like here. Let's change the name to Lévy. And then um, if n equals 0, yeah, right. Just do this. Otherwise, okay, do it like this. So otherwise, turn left by 45 degrees, then go S over forward by S over, say, square root. What is this? S over, this should be this length. If this is S, this should be S over square root of 2. Okay? So this should be S times 0.5. This will make it as a S over square root. Oh, this should be 2, not N. Okay? S over square root of 2. And then T dot right by 90 degrees. Okay, maybe I should right here. And have turn then turn left by 45 degrees. Okay. Turn left by, go the same thing, same distance. And lastly, turn left by 45 degrees. So this is how Lévy is like. Okay, let's check it one by one. So instead of this, we write Lévy D 200. And of course, yes, we should change each of this to, of course, Lévy n minus 1 and this. Okay, the same as we did in the previous examples. Lévy n minus 1 and this. Okay, let's take a look one by one. 0, 1, 2, okay, 3. Interesting. Yeah, like this. Okay, now we know. Now we have Lévy, which is good. Maybe we can stop it. Instead, we will set tracer to false and see what it looks like. To go, instead of 100, I can write 100. Okay, and see how it looks like. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, maybe we can go deeper into, say, 10. And a little larger than this. 1, okay, 200. Okay, from 0. I will change this to 12 or 14. And it looks like very strange shape coming up. Very good. Okay. Maybe we want to have the pen width a little thinner. And we want to connect two curves for a round trip. So we can, again, connect two levies for in range 2. And then levy, same thing. And turn left by 180 and see the result. Okay, it's very simple in the beginning, but all of a sudden it's becoming very complicated figure. It's interesting to see this. Yeah, I hope you like this. Okay, so this is Lévy, and okay, we will continue to draw more fractal drawings, and you can try yourself with different parameters. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you'll come back. Bye bye.